Ayan, tayo pong lahat ay tumayo at sabay-sabay nating papurihan ng ating Panginoon. Lahat ba dito nakagala? Ayan, sino dito ang hindi masaya? Ayan. Sapagkat aaliwin sila ng Panginoon ngayong umaga. Ayan. At isa sa Psalm 180:24, lahat naman tayo siguro dito nakakaalam. Sabi dito, "This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." Dapat tayong magalak at magsaya. Amen po ba? Yan, sapagkat ginawa ng Diyos ang umagang ito upang purihan natin siya. The cross, empty grave, the life eternal, you have won that day, shining it out, Jesus is alive, He's alive, then oh, happy day, you wash my sin away, oh, happy day, in that place, realize being face to face, I'm yours, Jesus, you are mine. Endless joy, perfect peace, perfect peace, finally we'll see. Celebrate, Jesus is alive, He's alive. Wash my sin away, oh, happy day, I'll never be the same, oh, oh, forever I change, and oh, what a glorious day. My sin away, oh.